Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to customize Wells Fargo card design. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see a section that says Manage Cards. Under Manage Cards, you will see an option that says Access Card Design Studio. Click on Access Card Design Studio. Next, on this page, you will see information about Card Design Studio. Scroll down to see information about your card, mainly its status and whether it is eligible for customization. If it is eligible, click on Customize Now. To customize your card design, click on Select Background. Next, select your background image. You can upload your image from your library or choose from the images provided in the image library below. In this video, we chose to select from the image library. Once the image is selected, you can customize it by moving it, changing the scale, rotating it, and flipping it. To see the results, click on Preview. On this page, you will see a preview of your design. If you wish to change something else, click on Edit. However, if you are okay with the result, click on Confirm. Lastly, read the terms and conditions. Once read, and if you agree, click on the button that says I agree. That's how you customize your Wells Fargo card design. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.